This video is a quick overview on how to track 504 and special education accommodations in PowerSchool. If anyone in your class has special education or 504 accommodations, you will see this pyramid icon to the right of your class. Once you click in the pyramid icon, it'll take you to a page that you can either look at special ed accommodations or Section 504 accommodations. If you click the drop down, you'll see that some of these classes are grayed out and not selectable. This means that there are no students with accommodations in those classrooms. For this student, you can see there are 7 special education accommodations. You can see the frequency of these accommodations, and you can see the location of these accommodations. To add an accommodation, click on the plus sign to the right of each listed accommodation. You will see that some of these are already have been logged by teachers. For example, this one is showing in blue, which means it is checked and it has an action taken and it has a result. This one in red, you can see is missing a result, so it's showing in red. To add a new accommodation, I will click the plus sign to the right. For example, this is access to sensory tools, and I want to show that I did this for this student today. Click on this, and I'll say student was allowed access to headphones, results, student finished assignment. Once I submit, you'll see that it shows right here with the teacher's initials are whoever put in this entry with a date. As a teacher, you are able to go in and click to edit your own log entries. You can also switch from special ed to 504 by clicking that drop down, and it will be the same process to enter accommodations for those students. You can also access this information by clicking the backpack icon on your start page. If you click on this, click on a student, you can click on the special education alert up top. Once you click on this, you can also see the accommodations and go to the page and click this icon to add them. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to your district's special education department.